Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Coconut Accounting App. Review my UK freelancer finance experience. Coconut Accounting App is designed specifically for freelancers and self-employed individuals in the UK. It aims to simplify financial management by combining banking, accounting, and tax features all in one platform. Key features include expense tracking, invoice creation, and tax estimates. Their website provides details about their different subscription tiers, ranging from a free version to paid plans with more advanced features. Coconut emphasizes ease of use and transparent pricing with no hidden fees. They aim to streamline what can often be a complex and confusing process for freelancers, especially when it comes to tax calculations. You can check availability and sign up directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Coconut Accounting App. Setting up my account was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process guided me through connecting my existing bank accounts and categorizing my income and expenses. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate even for someone like me who isn't exactly an accounting whiz. I particularly like the automated expense tracking feature. Once my bank accounts were connected, the app automatically pulled in transactions, and I simply had to categorize them. Creating invoices was also a breeze, with customizable templates and the option to send them directly to clients from within the app. The tax estimation tool was a game changer, providing a real-time view of my potential tax liability, which helped me budget effectively. Performance-wise, the app was generally quick and reliable. I only experienced a couple of minor glitches where the app froze momentarily, but these were quickly resolved. I also had a quick question about integrating with my existing accounting software, and their support team responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, giving me a clear overview of my finances at a glance. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated tax estimations. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app at the time I used it, though they mentioned it was in development. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Coconut Accounting App. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs as a freelancer and made managing my finances significantly easier. That's my overview of Coconut Accounting App. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.